Now that we've learned all those cool, interesting facts about cats, it's time for us to learn how to draw a cat. So we're going to be drawing this cat right here, but when it comes time to color it, you can color it any way you want. Because some of you probably have some cats at home, so maybe you might want to color yours like your furry little best friend at home. So we are going to learn how to draw this cute little cat. So get your paper and your pencils and let's get started. Our paper today is going to be going tall portrait. So make sure you've got your paper going nice and tall. And we are going to start by drawing a circle up at the very top. And we want to draw it big because we've got to add the eyes and the nose and the mouth and the whiskers. So our cat needs to be pretty big. So I'm going to draw a pretty big circle up here on the top of my paper. Big circle. Okay, next we're going to draw the body. So if you look, you can see how his body is round and then it gets skinny. So we got a skinny neck and then it gets round at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to start here and I'm going to curve in and then I'm going to curve out and down. Curve in, then out and down. Okay, now that we've got his body, we're going to go back and fill in the rest of his face. So we're going to start with his ears. So I'm going to start and I'm going to draw two curved lines that come from a point. And then two more inside. Over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Two curved lines that come from a point, and then two more inside. And now our kitty has some ears. Okay, for his eyes, I'm going to start with that rainbow line and then I'm going to put a smile underneath it to make that football shape. We'll make two of those. Rainbow line, smile for the football shape. And then I'm going to draw a circle inside each eye. Big circle inside each eye. And then I'm going to do that little football shape on its side. Little shape on the side to give cats those slitted pupils that they have. Their pupils aren't round like ours. They're shaped like almonds or footballs. So get his eyes finished. And then we're going to move on to his nose and mouth. Okay, for his nose, right under his eyes, I'm going to draw a small horizontal line. underneath his horizontal line, I'm going to make a dot right in the middle. So come down and make a dot, and then connect the dot to each side of your horizontal line with a diagonal line. And that's going to make his nose, little triangle nose. Then from the point, I'm going to make a smiley face going to the right and a smiley face going to the left. Now I'm going to add 3 whiskers to each side. So I'm going to start over here beside his nose, and I'm going to draw a rainbow line out, another rainbow line below it, one more below it, 3 whiskers. Come over to the other side of his nose, rainbow line, rainbow line, rainbow line. 3 whiskers on that side. And we're almost done. All we have left to do is his tail and his legs. So I'll move my paper up a little bit so you can see how I'm going to do his legs down here at the bottom. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, watch. I'm going to draw a curved line and then give him 3 toes. 2, 3, and curve up. Do the same thing over here. Curve, 3 toes, 2, 3, and curve up. And then I'm going to draw 4 vertical lines from the ends of his paws. I'm going to come up, up, and these all need to be about the same length. So I'm going to draw 4 vertical lines. And if they need to be a little bit longer, if you didn't get them long enough, you can always add a little bit of extra length to them. Make them all the same. And now he's got 2 little paws. Okay, the last thing we need to do is his tail. Now look at his tail. Doesn't it look like the letter S? Can you see the letter S right here? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start here and we're going to draw the letter S back to his body. We're not going to take this one all the way down to the bottom. We're going to start here and go around the outside and then come back to the side of his body. So I'm going to start over here. And I'm going to curl up and around, and I'm just going to make the letter S and curl back into his body. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another S underneath it. I'm going to start here at this point, and I'm going to curve up and around, and this time I am going to take it down to the bottom of my paper. So I curve up and around and down to the bottom of my paper. And now he's got a tail. Okay, so at this point we have finished drawing our cat. And now I'm going to let you guys choose how you want to color it, because cats come in all kinds of colors. You've got yellow cats and brown cats and orange cats and black cats. You've got all those different markers and crayons. So you can color your cat however you want. Like I said, if you've got a cat at home, you can color it to look like you are a kitty, or you can color it like I did mine. It's up to you. One more thing, I forgot to give his collar. Oh, can't believe I almost forgot. One last line. Right here at his neck, really simple. We just make a smiley face, and that gives him a collar. Okay, now he's finished. So you can take the rest of art class today and finish coloring your kitties. And I hope you had fun and you learned some cool new things about cats. And now that you know how to draw a cat, you can draw some other kitties. So, until next time.